Welcome to Luoyang Tianhuan Energy Technology. We deliver safe, smart, and efficient clean energy solutions for homes worldwide. This 10 kW home energy storage system seamlessly integrates with solar panels and inverter systems to create a truly green energy hub for your home. At the core is a LiFePO4 cell with 200 AH capacity and 3.2 V nominal voltage. It supports wall-mounted and stackable setups, fitting diverse home layouts. With KN RS485 and RS232, it enables smart energy management and remote monitoring. With Max 100A continuous discharge, it powers high-consumption home devices like ACs and heaters. The system features an integrated BMS for real-time protection and monitoring, along with internal bus bars for secure module interconnection, not shown here. The system uses a 1P16S configuration, providing 51.2 volt, ideal for 48-volt storage systems. At the core is a LiFePO4 cell with 200 H capacity and 3.2 V nominal voltage. Luoyang Tianhuan, powering a greener, smarter future.